guys, alam nyo ba, excited ako ngayon kasi mayroong kaming event ngayon. Alam nyo ba, yung event namin ngayon ay Emirati Women's Day. Kaya ang ginawa ng company namin, lahat ng mga babae kailangan mag-wearing kami ng abaya. Yun yung ano po, yung abaya, yung ano kasi yung national ano kasi yan, yung damit dito ng mga lokal, yung mga ano, mga Emirata na ano. Kaya ito, tingnan mo yung mga kasama ko, oh, 'di ba? Oh, ayan na yung mga nila, oh.
Yung black dito?
Ha? Oh, baliktad to, guys.
No.
Talagang halatado hindi nagsusuot ang damit niya kasi baliktad.
Sorry viewers, kumalik ko.
Aray ko. Kasi nga, kailangan kasi talaga lahat ng mga babae ngayon, kailangan na magsuot ng pang-Emirata na dress. Kaya, ngayon guys, let's go. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga attire nila ngayon. Kaya, first time kasi nila magsuot ngayon ng mga attire. Sige guys. Oh, ayan ulit ang aming dining hall. Siyempre. Ayan. So, ayan na sila.
Okay? Yeah? And then I'll tell you what to do with them. I'll give you the balloons and blow the balloons. Yes?
Oh, ayan na sila, oh. Diba? Lahat. Ayan, oh. Oh, diba? Ang taray, oh. Oh, diba? Yung mga, ano, yung mga madam kayo ngayon, ah. Mga madam. Madam, what do you want? Oh, diba? Ang gaganda nila, guys. First time nila magsuot ng ganito. Oh, diba? Oh, ang gaganda nila, oh. Ang gaganda nila. Ang gaganda nila.
What is the count? Okay. Eating chicken in the kitchen. She saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. She saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. This is for the HO ladies. Yeah?
She saw kitten
I want girls to come forward.
eating chicken
Yes.
in the kitchen. Okay.
Chicken inside red lorry. Yeah. We have Shekha who will try red lorry. Then I'll come back.
Yes!
So she's gonna tell she saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. Okay? You have to tell more.
She saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. She saw a kitten eating chicken in the chicken. She saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. She saw a kitten eating chicken in the chicken. She saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. She saw
Chicken!
Okay, it's
Yes!
No, it's enough. Okay, kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. Okay?
O at least walang ano, walang kudigong. Ah, diba? Yes! Kabayan, hindi na zero yung kabayan, oh.
Yes. Count. Everybody count. Yeah. She saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. She saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. She saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. She saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. She saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. She saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. She saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. She saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. Who wants to feed Deepika? Nobody? No one? So from the other side we have the winner as Deepika. Deepika is disqualified. It was fun, right? We go on to the third game before that. But she has to become a winner, she has to try more than 10 times.
No way.
Mabilis talaga tayo.
How many times? 13. Good one. Yeah. Yes, we have Salon again.
Siya ba yun? Yung sinabi mo nakita mo.
She's so kitten, eating chicken.
Pwede naman talaga.
Rapper.
That is lovely, man. That is lovely. So we have DJ Salman in the house. Thank you. That was amazing. So we'll have one more activity. Just we'll bring. Anyone else? Me? No. Anyone else?
So, ito po yung ano, ito po yung mga pagkain namin. Okay, ito po yung biryani. Wow, sweet. Okay. Samosa. What's the name of this one? Okay. Samosa. And then, ito yung
All the way from Russell Kaima, Ali.
ito yung makain.
Dipa. So tell me your name. When I name, when I say the brand's name, please raise your hand and shout. Okay. Arabic food also will have the Arabic taste stuff, so it's kept for you all because you're allowed to go back. So the buffet is open. Please make yourself comfortable. Yes. I request our guest.
May gift kami. Mabilis kami ngayon. Thank you. Yes, saya na pala yung mga gift. Oh, diba? Ay. Yeah. Ang bilis eh. Yes. May gift sila. Ano daw? Unboxing? Ano yun? Okay. Kain na. This is the food, okay. Ay, wala nang manok. Yun na lang ako. No chicken, ha? No chicken? What is this, yeah? Chicken? Yan, ang aming food. Thank you. Ah, diba? Ito na po yung aming lunch. So, diba? Ito, tapos may sweet, okay?
Extra. Salamat.
Oh, diba? Yan ang mga kasama. Let's eat na mga kapatid. Lunch.